Alright, so this is my Raymarine radar. It's an RL70C. It's 20-year-old technology. The screen is all sun damaged and pitted and stuff. And then this unit is basically just a transmitter or receiver. This is the only unit that has radar in it for the radar up top. Then it sends the information down from up top to the unit here, which is this one. But we almost never drive down here. But here's the screen from the one down below. It's like perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I pulled this screen off. Look at it, it's got neon tubes in the back of it. That's the old technology, it's not even LCD. So unscrewing the panel on the back, there's a safety seal. So I think by removing that screw, I voided the warranty on a 20-year-old unit. So far this is real easy. Just take the screws off that holds this plate on. 4 little screws holds the screen on. Undo this ribbon. Alright, so this comes off like that. And then this one goes in. Like that. Got everything put back. It's all plugged in. Take the cover off. Shiny. All right. We need radar, GPS, contact. So far so good. Find out in 64 seconds. All right, we'll see. Press power to transmit. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. I don't know if I made a video of it before, but it was a mess. So that's 3/4 of a mile. Half a mile. That's 1/8 of a mile. So we're in the marina, that's why everything's all gobbledygook. But interesting, you can see this little gap right here. There's a boat there, there's a boat there, there's a couple boats there, and then there's this little gap right there. That's it right there. I mean, this is 20-year-old technology, but it still works. This blip right here is the bridge over there, and then this blip over here is that bridge over there. It's working. So that's what the map looks like. So you can see Florida. But when I zoom in, when you get in too close, everything just disappears and you just get Latin lawn lines. Fine ship, there we are. If I back up, that's as close as you can zoom in with these charts. 150 nautical miles. You get in 300. So all these X's over here are spots they got marked on their chip. Probably a way to update it, but I probably won't even use this. If you hit the display, you can have log, tells you where you were at what time. the date, the position. This is the old screen in kind of detail. Look at it. It looks like it's sunburned with blisters and all sorts of stuff. It's just terrible. But I'm going to put it back in this unit downstairs since we never use it and see if it works. Okay, so I got the lower unit turned on. This is just a repeater. All it does is repeat the signal from up top. So this is the bottom finder it defaults to, and it doesn't have a transducer. So let me go to display, sonar, log, radar, enter, press power to transmit. Anywho, so that's what we got. Yeah, so you can see the maps they bought are up here. So I think if I zoom in up there, whoops, going the wrong way. I don't know. This is so outdated compared to the Garmin stuff. So find ship, here we are, 150, oh, looks like that's, I don't know. So the reason the sonar doesn't work, there is a transducer, but it's a real weak one. It's just, works on these old things here, so it'll tell you your depth. But in order to get the depth to go up on here, you have to have a black box because the signal's too weak, and I don't know, so I didn't bother with any of that. So that's it. Update, well, it's not an update. Transfer successful.